to make money offline. All right, these are side hustles you can do offline and make money out of it. 5 unique ways. I've already filmed a video on the part 1 where I outline some offline side hustles you can do. So this is the part 2 of the video. It's a continuation. Meanwhile, welcome to my channel. It's me, Jafego Horeko, popularly known as Fesky. In the channel, I share valuable contents around meal importation, how to make money online, and a lot of business ideas. So if this sounds great to you, do not hesitate to join this wonderful family by clicking on the red subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell icon so you get notified each time I drop new videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, for giving a thumbs up, for sharing, and for leaving a comment. Thank you so much. Now, what are these offline side hustles you can do? I stopped at personal shopper in the part 1 of this video. Okay, so let me go in depth on that. Personal shopper, it has to do with, there are some persons that are so aged. It's hard for them to go out to the market to shop or to buy groceries. So that's where you come in as a personal shopper. You help them do these things. You go get groceries for them, you help them shop, and then you get paid. Then another thing you can do offline and make money is driving. You can become a part-time driver for someone by driving the person's children to school, from school, or perhaps maybe the person just wants to go to the park or the airport. You take the person down or bring the person from the airport, whichever way, or drive the family around. Just a part-time driver, and you get paid. Then another thing you can do as a side hustle offline is babysitting. There are some persons, their job won't allow them to have time for their children, to take care of their children, or perhaps they can't even take their children to work. For example, bankers, they can't take their children to the bank. So that's why you come in as a babysitter and you get paid. You help them babysit their children till they return from their work. All right, and you get paid. So these are some of the offline side hustles you can do to make money from. Anyways, if you have others that you feel people can do and make money offline, please leave it in the comment section. Or perhaps from these ones I've outlined, you've done some. Okay, let's know your experience in the comment section. Thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.